Hello students, today we are going to discuss the lecture number 7 on the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, and we are going to start the definition of judgment debtor. Section 2 subsection 10 of C.P.C defines judgment debtor as judgment debtor means any person against whom a decree has been passed or an order capable of execution has been made. From the definition of judgment debtor, it has been made very clear that judgment debtor includes two types of persons. Either a person against whom the court has passed the decree, or secondly, those persons against whom some order capable of execution has been made by the court. So, a person against whom no decree, no order has been passed or made cannot be called to be the judgment debtor. Therefore, a plaintiff or a defendant against whom no decree or order capable of being executed has been passed or who has been released from the decree does not come within the definition of judgment debtor. So, a person who has stood surety for the cost and against whom a decree for cost has been made is a judgment debtor. The next definition in section 2 subsection 11 of C.P.C has been given of legal representative. The definition of legal representative is an inclusive definition. Firstly, it tells about the meaning of legal representative. Secondly, it tells what is included within the term of legal representative. Now let us start the definition of legal representative. Legal representative means a person who in law represent the estate of a deceased person. So it means a person who in law represent the estate of the deceased person can be called to be the legal representative. And what it next tells, and it includes any person who intermeddles with the estate of the deceased person. Okay, and thirdly, where a party sues or is sued in a representative character, the person on whom the estate devolves on the death of the party so suing or sued. So let's discuss about the commentary of the legal representative. The definition of the legal representative can be read as follows. Firstly, legal representative means a person who in law represent the estate of a deceased person. And secondly, it includes any person who intermeddles with the estate of the deceased person. And where a party sues or is sued in a representative character, then it includes the person on whom the estate devolves on the death of the party so suing or sued. Now, a plain reading of this definition reveals that legal representative is a person who represents the estate of a deceased person in law. And in law, normally the legal heirs of a deceased person represent the estate of such a deceased person. Therefore, the legal heirs of the deceased persons are the legal representative. However, practically, it is not necessary that a legal representative must be the legal heir, or a legal heir alone could be the legal representative. In certain special cases, some persons other than the legal heir may also represent the estate of the deceased person. For example, if the court has appointed administrator or executor, in that event, such administrator or executors acquire the status of a legal representative, and they can also be termed as legal representative within the definition of section 2 subsection 11. So this is something about legal representative and judgment debtor. Thank you.